You dey watch video for YouTube, and as you dey watch am, something come draw your attention. Maybe dem call you to come do work or do something, and the phone, you no fit continue with the thing wey you dey watch for YouTube again, and the thing dey you so important. Wetin you go do na very simple thing. You go to your YouTube. Once you go your YouTube, just go straight to this place where they write you. Tap you. You tap am. You see am now, history. This history now go display all the things where you don watch, all the videos where you don watch since where you dey use the YouTube, since where you dey use a YouTube, all the videos where you don watch. So if I tap view all for this history now, view all, see am, you go see am, history, Wednesday. The last time I watch na Wednesday, Tuesday, January 24, January 23. Now so the thing go dey go. You dey see am abi? So as the thing dey go, they move like that. You don enter 2025 December. Now so you go dey go. So all the things where you don't watch, all of them where you don't watch, then they for history. So that particular one where they watch, so you just go to that day where they watch them. If not, like maybe January 20, I go that day where they watch, I go see and there. Now so the thing be. So once you go there, if you just tap them, the thing will start to play. Again, another one where they call watch later. If they watch video for YouTube and the video too long and you no fit watch and finish, if you decide to put them for watch later, another one. So that watch later now, let's say like this video now, if I tap this three icon here, say save to watch later. So once you go to this you again, under playlist you go see watch later. If you tap watch later, so watch later now, the ones that I say I go watch them later. That be the thing. So maybe as I dey for home, maybe I see something like this, maybe this one, something like this now I like them, and I no one watch them now. I just tap watch. I tap the three dots there, and I say what? Save to watch later. Then as I dey scroll again, because I say no be wetin I wan watch, but I still wan watch am later, I dey scroll again, maybe I see something like this, I tap again, save to watch later. So now when I wan watch am, I don't get time now, I wan watch am, I tap what? You. I tap that you, then I go click what? Watch later. As I tap watch later, see am, all the things what I said, so I wan watch later. All of them. So with this, I fit take my time, come watch them as I won't watch them, because I don't already save and done.